Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and I will be listening to the second song of Thudaram. This song is called Karha Thudaram. So we have the lyric video. Obviously, there are no subtitles in this, so I will just be enjoying the song and seeing the visuals and music by Jakes Bijoy, and it is sung by wait. Let me just sung by Hariharan. There are two singers, Hariharan and Gopa Kumar. Yes. So yeah, I don't want to delay this any further. Let's listen to the song right away. Now that I know this is like going to be a thriller film, superbly excited. Oh, introducing. Okay. Oh, sorry. His voice is reminding me of some other vocal. I don't know who's. Hariharan's voice. Lovely. Thudarum. Sorry, Thudarum. I like watching behind the scenes a lot.
പോൽ കൺമണികൾ നാം നടന്ന കാലം അതിശയജാലം പല വഴിയേറുക കനൽ തൂവും വേനൽ മധുരമാകുന്നേ ദൂരം തേടിടുന്നേ
Oh, this movie is gonna be so good, I feel. Ooh, love this chorus, huh? Thudarum. Not. I think somebody had written this in the comment, and I just remembered when it played. Then I remembered suddenly. Beautiful. Oh, lovely. Oh, I actually read it by mistake. I thought Hariharan himself has written the lyrics, but I'm sorry. It's Hari Narayanan, not Hariharan. So that's my bad. Okay, thank God I caught that early. Otherwise, I would have done this recording just thinking that was the case, and all of those comments would have been, no, you read this wrong. Okay, finally I got it. Anyway, this song is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful in terms of vocals. When it comes to Gokul's vocals, so who is he? Let me know if you have any info, because his vocal and his singing style was just reminding me of somebody. I can't pinpoint it, but it was definitely reminding me of somebody. But I loved his vocals, and for Hariharan sir, what to even say? Because I just feel so great listening to a new song by him. My introduction to him when I was a school going kid. My first introduction to Hariharan was by via colonial cousins Hariharan and Lewis. Yes, that was his name. So you know that song. What was that song? Wait. Something about the way you may never know the reason why. Sunny da pa maga maga. So that song, yes, oh my god. I love that song so much. I used to listen to it non-stop. I still remember it. So that was my introduction to Hariharan sir. So I am so happy to see him back and singing a new song, and that too in a Mohanlal Shobana film. This is just so beautiful. Like the cards are falling into its place, and the song is just so freaking melodious, so freaking melodious. I think JX Bijoy, he never disappoints me. Like JX Bijoy musicals and JX Bijoy album have barely disappointed me. I have nothing but appreciation for the kind of songs he produces. Like someone like Jakes Bijoy or maybe say Anirudh, Sushin Shyam, like these are the guys who have given some exceptional music and exceptional songs. And whenever they come out with new film albums, it's always something so fresh to listen to. And it has happened every time. You know, people might think that no, this is getting too repetitive and this and that, but I don't think so. Because to consistently provide quality music is like not everyone's cup of tea, and it's not an easy job. And with Jakes, I feel for me, Jakes Bijoy is my most favorite when it comes to thriller movie or drama movie kind of music, which are very intense. I love those kind of songs that have been produced by Jakes. But when it comes to this sounds very heartfelt. Even the first song sounds very heartfelt, very beautiful, and I think he curates those songs also so beautifully. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely a joy to listen to his songs and his compositions. So I love this. I wish I understood the lyrics, and I don't because there are no subtitles. I wish the producers start putting those. I know it's an additional work, but I hope that becomes the norm sometime in future, that we have subtitles for goddamn everything. Like that's the standard. That should be the standard. That's what I feel. Like you've done that to trailers, and I'm so happy because you know we can enjoy these trailers. And I wish that gets extended to the songs as well, even the lyric videos, because I would love to know the lyrics. I would love to know the meaning and the context of the song. But this was enjoyable nonetheless. And you guys let me know your thoughts about this song. And yes, that was my reaction, and I'm gonna sign off now. And I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.